Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me Bushra. I created this purple ombre look. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. My skin is already moisturized. I'm taking the brown worms and using it as my transition shade. I'm taking my purple shade and blending it all over my crease. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder and baking my face. Blending is the key, you guys. Just curling my lashes. I'm taking my Maybelline eyelash definer and curling it on. To complete the eye look, I'm adding the shadow in my waterline and at the inner corner of my eyes. Just bronzing my face with my sun-kissed bronzer. I'm going to be linking the product in my description. Lakme Absolute Matte Lipstick in the shade 03. I'm using the Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kaveri 20. This is the final look. I hope you all really liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye. I love you all.